Are the lumps gone? Not yet.
Not yet. It's very hard to get them out.
Okay.
My hand's starting to hurt a lot. Hurts so much.
You say, Jan, thank you, Kuya Zach, Kuya Sam, and Kuya David for the gift. Sige, what do you say? Sige na. I will video you. Because he's the one giving you this.
No, Ate Alex, you also, Ate Alex.
But I'm still baking.
It's
Ah,
okay, you
yes.
can leave the chocolate.
Fell in the trash.
Katong 1 month na ako, pwede sa hindi pero nagagawa na may natang may pilo ka na receipt ko ay
Baby. Make them look at the brownie. This ain't the brownie yet. It's the brownie mix. Mix it all. Huh?
What you baking?
What's the brown color? Black brown.
Ay, not.
Brown.
Hey, coffee?
Now we can put it. You can put it na, Alex.
I'm scared to pour. No. Whoa. That looked like a piece of cake. Brownies are they actually cake? What does it taste like? Brownie.
Bakit chocolate powder mo
Okay.
eh?
Hmm?
Ano na chocolate powder? Pwede na hilaw.
Yes, you hide.
Sweet.
Ha?
Sweet.
Dapat matuon yun.
Hmm. Wait, I'll get